What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss, they are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. So right about now, my people, some breaking news and now, my people. You understand? Where they on social media make headline now, Zine. And it's about the police officer people, a female, who themselves was arrested in the US, my people, to be the main mastermind or be the head of a lottery scamming ring. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Well, my viewers and subscribers, this news I make headline right now, my people. You understand? About this police officer who them say have more than, you understand, are almost 20 years in the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my people. Such a shame. So yes, when Josh come forward, people, and him say police are corruption and this and that, which me nah go say all police are or is. You understand? But you have a lot of them, my people, and if them involved in them something, people, and for be the main mastermind behind them thing, you understand, people, because them are the one with your lead and I do the right thing, my people, and for sure say, this thing just mess up, my people. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, and at time being, they mix up in it, people, and you want to see how them deal with the look rat them way in it, my people, Zine, but to be big main mastermind behind it, my people, you know what I mean? A police officer who them say have almost 20 years in the Jamaica Constabulary Force in Jamaica, but she was held them say over in the United States of America, my people, and them say them defraud people a lot, you understand? Because when them check up the total people with the amount of money them take from US elder citizen, them say it's over 250 million Jamaican dollars. And a boy money you talk about, people, you talk about over million US dollars. You know what I mean? So I know play money that, my people. So I have a recording right now, my viewers and subscribers, you know what I mean, from one of the news media site, you know, just explain to you the full things that what go on and how much people do being victim and this something and how much money and how the network run and thing, my people. Because this is a serious thing. So just listen to this, my people.
According to the affidavit signed by an agent with the U.S. Homeland Security, Constable Shellyan Allen is accused of conspiracy to commit wire fraud and conspiracy to commit mail fraud. Allen is accused of being the head of a lottery scamming organization that investigators named after her. According to the affidavit filed in the Eastern District of Wisconsin, the Allen Lottery Scheme Organization targeted people saying they won the prize of a luxury car, a new home, and US $18 million. DCP Bailey confirmed with our news center that Allen is a member of the constabulary. DCP Bailey says U.S. law enforcement officials have informed their Jamaican counterparts that Allen was arrested in Fort Lauderdale on Friday evening. Our news center understands that Allen's son was also arrested some time ago for lottery scamming. It's understood that Allen is a veteran of almost 20 years of service with the JCF. According to the criminal complaint, one victim was reportedly defrauded of approximately $50,000 US. The victim said they sent $30,000 US to an address in the United States under the impression that the funds would secure the victim's winnings. One alleged co-conspirator in the scheme told investigators that they smuggled $21,000 of the $30,000 US into Jamaica via a barrel containing soap, detergent, and other items. The victim told investigators that they sold their home to raise the money and lost approximately $150,000 US in total. Investigators say the scheme allegedly run by Allen started in 2019 and continues to this day. According to the complaint filed in the United States, 6 other people partook in the scam that included sending wire transfers and other financial instruments via mail. Federal investigators in the United States say they have tracked multiple transactions linked to accounts open in the name Shellyan Allen, both in Fort Lauderdale in Florida and an address believed to be Allen's in Falmouth in Trelawny, Jamaica. In one spending spree, investigators allege Allen splurged $5,000 US shopping at retail stores like Foot Locker, Polo, Ralph Lauren, and Victoria's Secret. In all, investigators believe of the $1.6 million that was reportedly scammed, $128,000 was sent directly to Allen. At the current exchange rate, the scheme reportedly led by Allen would have netted the scammers more than 250 million Jamaican dollars. In addition to interviews with at least one alleged co-conspirator, a cell phone reportedly belonging to Allen was inspected by immigration officials and banking information matching a complaint by a victim was found. No court dates have been set in the United States.
Some viewers and subscribers, you hear what I go on now, Zine, and boy, me I wonder, people, because for all of them, something how much news media go out there, which me know say a lot of elder people, they have medical condition people, so so them bring us 100 people, so them easily can trick Zine. But me I say, yo, this start ringing at ears and ears so much times, so much days, my people, and people still being get fooled so much, you know what I mean? Because when you hear the call say, yo, you want a luxury car, you want a new home, or you want US $18 million, and you say I got to pay a total of maybe up to $50,000 to clear $18 million, and I go say, wow, if I going to pay $50,000 to get 18, that's a good deal, you know what I mean, people? And in a year old age, then what you are going to do with $18 million? What you are do with a luxury car? What you are do with a new, you know what I mean? But these people now think, my people, you understand them now think, and as me tell a lot of them have memory problem, them have this, them have that, people, so that's how they been get tricked easily, but for no say a police officer, my people, who them say, and they can see where, because if you listen to the recording, people, when they do take transaction, they see how much money sent to her, and them see the life she was living, people, how much money she has spent at them top store, this and that, and and hear them say, people, them all our son and thing, and I will you put to it, my people. But I'm saying, my viewers and subscribers, boy, it seems like the LAMP0IL with them all the other day squeal a lot. Zine, because I remember the people, them all the LAMP0IL in here, so we cover that story, the people, and them find the thing them all in a full cup bag with egg on them, so you find the lead sheet them, and you find them cover with egg on them, sitting there in a sawdust and this and that, my people. So it seems like the LAMP0IL leak out some information, people, and them find the head of it, and we're surprised to them, because this Jamaica Constabulary Force members, them are work people, but when them get the shocking news, so look at them, man, the main mastermind behind this, I wanna see him one. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. But one thing I can tell squad my people, and this is no joke, this are USA my people, and when they come on to them thing, USA government, they no ramp, so squaddy, boy, dog, I gonna name your supper, me I tell you the truth, you understand? Dog, I gonna name your supper, because when I say US then comes some people and then clamp down upon you when they come on to this thing, you understand? Them not no joke, them not go, they not no lenient, so them not they not go think about nothing, people. You know what I mean? So me I tell us, squaddy, I go do some time, some serious time, and if you know, say she, them list as the head of it, people, as the main mastermind behind it, my viewers and subscribers. Boy, squaddy, I want to make and tell us, dog, name your supper. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, in, because from 2019, people, up to date, them say they start from back in 2019, just to imagine, and in just them local time there, you see how much money this raking, this bringing in my people, and this is why you find so much people being involved in this thing, because, you're going to ring people easily. You make 2 phone calls, people easily get tricked, and you can fuck in and get some big sum of millions of dollars. People buy this luxury car, buy this big house, and live this luxury lifestyle, people. This is why you find this thing keep on continuing. It now go stop my viewers and subscribers. And to tell you, sometimes you look and they look at them, none they say and say, yo, them I do it, people. But they look at them, just do a look at thing, my people. But the biggest thing behind these people, a higher rank society, people. You know what I mean? And even though them all on squad, people, but I can tell you these people, they have bigger people than squad behind the same way. You understand? So you know, so you have to look at them down the people, but squad that come like the cat. But remember, me tell the people, you have the tiger and the lion where they right up the over squad the same way, and them thing, and a ringing and a shaking and a farking. But boy, squad, dog, name your supper, one thing me can say, boy, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. My people, big up on yourself, man, and more love, more respect, and more blessings. And remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. NEWLINK Production Official, Attacking Boss. Peace out, my people. Enough love. Big up.